Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will share with you 10 important English sentences are very useful in our daily life. Let's start. Sentence number 1. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? We say this to greet someone and ask if they are okay. Example: Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Sentence number 2. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We say this when we meet someone for the first time. It is a polite and friendly expression. Example: Hi, my name is Sarah. Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Sentence number 3. You are welcome. You're welcome. We say this after someone says thank you. It means it's okay or I am happy to help. Example: Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. You are welcome. Sentence number 4. Excuse me. Excuse me. We say this to be polite when we want to get someone's attention, ask a question, or to say sorry. Example: Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Sentence number 5. I don't understand. I don't understand. We say this when something is not clear or we don't know what it means. Example: Can you explain this word again? Can you explain this word again? Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Sentence number 6. See you later. See you later. We say this when we say goodbye and plan to meet or talk later. Example: I have to go now. I have to go now. Okay, see you later. Okay, see you later. Sentence number 7. What's your opinion on? What's your opinion on? We use this to ask someone what they think about something. Example: What's your opinion on learning English online? What's your opinion on learning English online? I think it's very helpful. I think it's very helpful. Sentence number 9. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. We say this to show that we like a suggestion or agree with it. Example: Let's practice English every day. Let's practice English every day. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Sentence number 9. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. We say this when we have a different opinion with someone. Example: English is very difficult. English is very difficult. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. Sentence number 9. I am not sure. I am not sure. We say this when we don't know or we are not confident about something. Example: Are you free today? Are you free today? I am not sure. I am not sure. Thank you for listening to my podcast. Practice these sentences every day and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Believe in yourself and keep learning. See you in the next video. Goodbye.